Well, let's take a look at problem number 6. Now, by hand, this is a very easy problem. Calculator's not too hard, but you do got to remember what about your basic graphs. And just to refresh your memory in your basic graphs. And if you're going on past college algebra, you shouldn't have to plug these in your calculator. These should come natural. Y is equal to x. Looks like this. Y is equal to x squared. Just sketching these. Looks like that. Y is equal to x to the third. Looks like that. Y is equal to square root of x. Looks like that. Y is equal to the absolute value of x. This is our V-shaped graph. Looks like that. And one that the current college algebra book has, though it seems like they always put a 6-1 in, and some people do this one, some people do other ones. Those first 5 are kind of standard. But the cube root of x, not that I can put the right curve on it, look like that. Okay. So let's use that to graph this problem now. It says use a graph of f of x equal to absolute value of x. Identify the graph of f of x is equal to absolute value of x minus 2 minus 3. Well, if you got a number at the very end, then it's going to be up or down. Well, this is negative 3, so this is going to be down 3. If you got a number inside with the x, it's going to be left or right, and this will be opposite of what you think. The negative 2 would make you think it goes left 2, so it's really going to go right 2. Now, it's still a V-shaped graph. We've just moved it down 3 and right 2. So it still looks like this. So down 3 and right 2, our graph would look like that right there. Let me see, what did I say? Right 2, down 3. A kind of looks like a possibility. My eyes aren't real good. Actually, it's only a possibility. So 6A would be your answer. So let's go check that out. And it checks. Okay. Like I say, if you should know how to do it by hand if you're going on in math. College algebra last class. So let's take a look at how to do it on the calculator. Well, if I come here and press zoom, choose Z standard, set it back to standard viewing window there. Now if I press Y equals clear, and we got the absolute value, so I'm going to actually, let me clear that out and let's start from scratch. Y equals clear, and then I'll choose math, and I'm going to right arrow to num, and ABS is already selected, so I do enter on that. And we got x minus 2, so x minus 2, closing parentheses, and then minus 3, and then graph. Well, once you have that, then you just take that and you match it up. Against your answers here and see which one. So very easy on the calculator. But again, if you're going on math to calculus, you should know how to do this by hand.